In a world where the cost of living continues to rise, finding ways to save money has never been more crucial. But what if we told you that the solution to beating the cost of living crisis could be right outside your door? It's true. Small Space Gardening offers an innovative, cost-effective solution to help you navigate through these challenging times. It's about turning your balcony, backyard, or even your windowsill into a vibrant, productive garden. Imagine having fresh, nutritious produce just a few steps away from your kitchen. Not only does this help you cut down on grocery bills, but it also promotes a healthier lifestyle. Plus, there's something incredibly rewarding about eating something that you've grown yourself. Ready to embark on this journey? Welcome to Grow Your Own Savings, Small Space Gardening Tips for Beating the Cost of Living Crisis. Today we're going to show you how you can transform your small space into a thriving oasis of fresh, affordable produce. Whether you have a balcony, a tiny backyard, or just a sunny windowsill, there are endless possibilities for growing your own food in a small space. Imagine your mini outdoor space blossoming into a lush, green oasis, delivering fresh, homegrown produce right at your fingertips. First, let us introduce you to vertical gardening. This technique allows you to maximize your vertical space by growing plants upwards rather than outwards. Think climbing beans, tomatoes, and even cucumbers. Next, let's talk about container gardening. This is perfect for those who only have a sunny windowsill or small patio. Almost anything can be a container: an old bucket, a wooden crate, or even a hanging basket. The key is to ensure proper drainage and to choose the right plants for your space. Remember, it's not just about the space, but also about the soil. Preparing your soil with the right nutrients is crucial for healthy, productive plants. From vertical gardens that maximize vertical space to container gardens that bring life to even the smallest of spaces, we'll explore a variety of creative gardening solutions that fit your lifestyle and budget. But the journey doesn't end with the harvest. Now, let's dive into some delicious recipes that showcase the homegrown vegetables from your small space garden. First, we have our fresh garden salad. With homegrown lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and herbs, you'll simply chop these fresh ingredients, toss them together, and drizzle with a homemade vinaigrette for a refreshing and nutritious salad. Next up, our roasted vegetable medley. Using homegrown bell peppers, zucchini, onions, and garlic, you'll cut these veggies into bite-sized pieces, season with herbs and olive oil, and roast until caramelized and tender. This makes for a flavorful side dish or even a main course. Lastly, our herb-infused pasta primavera. Cook pasta, sauté homegrown cherry tomatoes and spinach with garlic and olive oil. Toss with the cooked pasta and garnish with fresh basil for a vibrant and satisfying meal. Starting a small space garden is not just a way to beat the cost of living crisis. It's a way to enrich your life, your health, and your palate. So why not start today and share your progress on social media? We can't wait to see what you grow.